Okay, let me tell you what I did today. This is pretty cool. I made this on a 3D printer, and what I was trying to do was solve a problem I had with this LED light on my copter. It gives me a lot of very important information just based on the colors and the numbers of flashes on this LED right here. And when it's in flight, I can see it from quite a bit away, and it tells me how many GPS satellites I have and the status of the electronics on board. So what I had first done was just wire tie it to this landing gear leg, but it would spin around. So then I got some of this Instamorph plastic beads off of Amazon, and you just heat that up to 160 degrees and mold it into whatever shape you want, and it cools and it maintains its form. And so that gave me a nice flat mounting point there, which is actually pretty good. And then I would just wire tie it, but it's ugly, and people have actually commented on it. It's like the first thing they say to me is, what is that? I guess it just doesn't fit the look of the rest of the craft. So I went into downloaded Autodesk's 123D design program, which is a free web-based, browser-based app, and got my calipers out and measured this. Figured out where the USB port was, the top of this cable coming out, the depth, the sides, and it resulted in that's about a 2 or 3 gram little bit here, bit bob. Yep. So this is the first print, first go, and it looks like I could have put another millimeter or so on the bottom there, because that's where it's on the tray. When you peel it off the tray, you lose another layer. So I probably should have put, I think each one of these sides is a millimeter or 2. I probably should have put another millimeter on there. I'll do it on the next pass. And put some little logo on there. Covered that with a little paint marker. But for the time being, fits right in there. The USB is accessible. Clean that up. And I put some little slots in there for the wire ties on the side. I think I will probably give that another couple of millimeters on the side too. It was too close to the wall there. That's a 0.5 millimeter slot that I created. The resolution is supposed to be, each layer is 1/10 of a millimeter. So I'm going to, in the second one I design, I'm going to go put another millimeter on there or so. But this is very cool, very fun. I have a lot more ideas now. All of a sudden my imagination is, now that I know of this capability, every time I encounter a problem, the first thing I think of is, hey, I wonder if I can just build a part. I think just for the hell of it, I'm going to create a little piece here between these front struts that's just got my brand name on it. That's a cutout with the negative space will be the brand name, so it's really light and it will be in a different color. Maybe I'll just paint it black, but that will just be for branding. But there's quite a number of things that I've got in my mind to turn into reality very soon.